Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, yeah, I know it's been a long time, but I was not feeling like I should make a video or something. So, yeah, so I just thought to talk to you all guys like a girl talk video or something, yeah, in which I will just talk to you all. So, yeah, in today's generation, like everybody like wanna be a perfect and like have everything easily. But let me tell you all guys, like if you work hard for it and like you eagerly want it, like you'll definitely get it in your life, but you have to work hard, be positive. I know, like sometimes I know every time we can't be positive, like negative thoughts are running all around our head or something, especially in this COVID times and lockdown times. Like we stay at home all the time, like we keep thinking and thinking because we have nothing to do in our life, and like online classes, zero social life, zero everything. Yeah, like seeing Instagram post or anything, it seems like everybody's perfect. But let me tell you all guys, like everyone has their own problems, everybody's facing their own obstacles, but they don't show you all guys because all people shows the good in them, like they want to be perfect. So everything you see in social media or Instagram is not real. So yeah, it's temporary, okay? So, like being a teenager, like there is so much pressure from parents. Like we are stuck between, like we are not even a kid and we are not even adult. Yeah. So like everybody expect us to become adult, but act like a child. Yeah. But let me tell you guys, like this age, like I know, like being a girl, I know, like I have mood swings. I lost many friends in my life because everybody says that you have to be alone in your 20s. You know why? Because you come across many fake peoples. Yeah. And like let me tell you all guys, like being single is not that bad. Like you can enjoy your own self, like you can hang out with yourself, go on a date with yourself, spend more time with your family. Being in relationship is also not bad, but like it should be a better person. Like in this age, like we all meet many temporary people, temporary relationship, and trust me, breakup hurts the most. Like you are spending time with that person, making memories, and at the end of the day they will just leave you and go and everything vanishes. So it's gonna hurt you. Like why you wanna just get diverted or something. Like don't do that stuff. Like love yourself, spoil yourself, do what makes you happy. Don't adjust, don't change it. Just listen to your inner self, do what makes you happy. Like if your parents are saying you, or like they are telling you to do this, do that, or society is judging you, like why you wear this dress, you are like this, you are like, don't listen to them. Like they will just speak, and then one day they will just shut up. So do what makes you happy, do what you wanna do. Don't listen to anyone in your life. Like if it's your guardian or a mentor, you can listen to them because they have whatever your mom says, it's a true thing. Like my mom has said, like this is wrong, don't do this. When I do that, I literally realize like she has, like why didn't I listen to her? Like our mother has gone through everything, so she knows everything. So just remember this one thing, like our mother is always right. Yeah, even if she says don't go there, it's not good for you, don't do this, they are saying because they care for you. They are saying this because they know what's wrong and what's right. You are still a kid, so don't argue with your parents like I wanna go there, why are you not letting me this, why are you letting. And don't, especially don't compare your life with others, like they are going so please let me go, why are you doing this stuff is really wrong. Like you should not compare your life with others. Like your life is different, their life is different. Like everybody has their own flaws and own insecurities. Like even I have my flaws and insecurities, but I cherish my flaws and insecurities. Like I go through it. Like I wake up every day and thank God that I'm awake and I'm living this best life in which I can eat anything I want. I can, my mom gives me beautiful clothes, she spoils me, so I have everything. At least be happy that you have a home, beautiful home, your family. So cherish little moments in your life. Like these moments will, you know, go away. So just enjoy now because time doesn't wait for anyone. Like you will be rude with anyone, do that. And first thing, always forgive others. Like even if they are wrong, even if they are did very wrong with you, just forgive them. If you will not forgive them, then you will carry this burden and you are gonna get really upset sometimes. So it's better forgive everybody in your life, even they have done wrong to you or any other stuff, just forgive them. So like, I will just give advice to my 18 years old self. Now I'm 19. So as an 18 years old kid, I used to be like, I want this, I want to go there. I was really very stubborn. I'm still stubborn, but now I am like not that stubborn when I was 18. Like, I used to be like, Mom, I want this. Mom, I want to go there. Mom, I want to do this. Like, I was really very aggressive, and like I really had very anger issues. You know, like when I used to not do or get attention also from people, I used to be like, why they are behaving like this. I used to be sad and like, why he's ignoring me, why she's ignoring me, why my mom is doing this. You know, I used to think a lot. I used to be negative all the time, but now I don't care at all. Like, even if there is problem, I be like, everything is gonna be okay, it will take time. I don't overthink it. So like, being a teenager, like, you can't sleep at times. So my mom is like, why are you still awake, why you do this? But I know it happens, like, you overthink at night. Sometimes you like the night time, so it's okay if you are awake till late. It's up to you, but don't stay awake till 4 or 5. It's really unhealthy. Like, your sleeping schedule is gonna be so spoiled after that. Like, ugh. So let me talk about insomnia. Yeah, it's a sleeping problem. Like, I used to have before. You know, when I was a kid, like, I guess I was 15 or 16. I literally I was not able to sleep. Like, you know, I used to awake till all the time. Like, I guess it was like 2 or 3 days I haven't slept, not even half an hour. And I used to go school. And you know, if you don't sleep more than one day, then you are gonna have like visions, like different visions, and you are gonna little distract. Like, you are gonna not sense anything. You will not be yourself. Like, my mom used to hit me also to cry, but I was like this only all the time. I used to not eat and stuff. So if you are facing any of this, like depression, anxiety, insomnia, or any of this problem, it's okay to visit a psychologist. I mean, psychiatrist. Yeah, it's okay to visit a doctor. Even I have visited a doctor. Yeah, if you need help, go for help. Don't judge. Like, don't let other people tell you that, oh God, are you crazy? Are you mad? You are visiting a doctor and stuff. You know, mental health is very important in your life. If you are not like well innerly, like you are unwell, then if you have like fever or something, it's outer, right? But if you are in depression, anxiety, it's inside our head, so it affects us more. You know how our brain works. Like, even I overthink, even I have anxiety, even I have flaws, even I have insecurity, even I have everything. Like, every person have it, but you have to go through it. Just go with the flow in your life. Don't let like, I want this, I want iPhone, I want this, I want that. Like, everything will, like, you will get everything. You know the power of manifestation. Like, if you really want anything, work hard for it, think of it, do everything, plan, you definitely achieve it. And I think, you know, one thing has literally changed my life. It's like, I have started writing my journal. Like, I have made 2 journals. One is for when I feel very sad, like I write all that stuff. And other is like planning my goals, my like what I have done great, what I'm grateful for, and all that stuff. Like, journal literally helps you a lot. So yeah. So like, even I have acne problem and stuff, so I have stopped making makeup videos. Like, I'm gonna be real to you all guys. So yeah, like, I have been break out really badly these days. So I was very insecure, like what people will say to me and all stuff. Like, everybody goes through it, but now I realize, like, chuck it. Like, I don't care. Even if I acne, it's normal. Everybody has acne. Everybody has texture in the skin. Everybody has this uneven teeth. Everybody has, you know, you are like different. It's okay. It's okay to have flaws. It's okay to doubt yourself, but don't let other people judge you or like their words affect you. Like, always do what makes you happy. And all I want to say is, like, you are a brave and strong woman, so do what makes you happy. It's your life, it's not others' life, okay? So like, at the end of the day, like, you are the one who will always be there for you. Even you know this, even you have your best friends, your parents, everything, but at the end of the day, it's you who is gonna be with you. So spoil yourself, love yourself, and do what makes you happy. That's the only motto I live. Like, my biggest goal to achieve is to be happy and love myself, to spoil myself, to earn this much that I will satisfy my needs and make my mom proud. So make a goal like this, like making boyfriends, making temporary friends, clubbing, doing all these things give you nothing but loving yourself, spending time with your parents, chilling with them. This all little, this little things matters a lot in your life. Yeah. So now, so yeah, I'm really good at talking and explaining things. So I was like, let's do it. Let's make a girl talk video because I'm really good in speaking terms, okay? So yeah, this me has not built in one day. It includes all my insecurities. It includes all my problems I have gone through, and especially my mom. Our parents play a very important role in our life. I'm very grateful for my mom. She supports me for everything. I told even if I say mom, I want to go there, mom, I want to do this, she literally listen to my every word, and she will be like, okay, go. But I'm really glad for her. She has never told me don't do this, don't do that. I'm really grateful for her. She fulfills my every dreams, every desire. So I'm really grateful for her. So yeah, just love your mom. You can't even imagine what else she had gone through for bringing you in this life. She's the one person in this whole universe who's gonna be with you in your ups and downs. Yeah, because no one can take a place of your mother, because she's the only one person in this whole universe who has the power to make you, so always respect your mom. You don't even know what all things she's going through, because she will never say to you out I'm going through this, I have this problem. She has many problems in her life, but she will always want you to be happy, do something in your life. She always think of you. She put you first. What is love? Okay, so first thing, what is love? What do you think? Love is the thing that when a person loves you more than themselves, like I love my mom more than myself. So that's a true love. If one person is, if your friends or your boyfriend or any other is treating you like shit, or you are unworthy like that, but don't stay with them. That's really toxic. Get out of the toxic friendship, relationship which affects your mental health and stuff, because it really affects you. Your friend circle, your group really matters to you, because the way they are, you become that way only because you hang out with them and do stuff what they do. So yeah, it's okay if you are not perfect. Everybody has flaws. Even I have breakouts problem. Even I have sometimes anxiety, depression and stuff. I overthink a lot. I have anger issues. We all do. So we have to just cherish. Just pray to God that you are grateful for everything you have. You have a food to eat. You have a shelter. You have your parents. You have a family. What else do you need? You are already rich. If you have family. The people who is all alone, they have no family. Their life literally is a cause for them, because there is no one to support them or stuff. So yeah, even if you are going through rough patch, just give time some time, because time is everything. This is all temporary. You are gonna go through ups and downs. Learn. Just if you have even done any wrong things or mistake, just learn from it. If you don't learn from it, it's not worth it, because you have to learn from a mistake, and you should not repeat what you have done wrong. Before, I had anger issues. I used to argue a lot. I was very stubborn, but now I'm not, because I learned from a mistake. Because anger affects you more than others. When you are shouting to others or doing anything wrong to them, it affects you more than them. Yeah, it's a thing. So I'm 19 years old now. So I'm just telling you all the things I have learned in my 19 years of my life. So yeah, if you all guys liked my girl talk video, then just comment down that you like it. So I will keep making more videos. It's very fun to talk to you all guys and talk about this things. Sometimes I be very unproductive. It's okay to be unproductive sometimes. It's okay to lay down. It's okay to do nothing in your life sometimes. Take a break, take a gap year. It's okay, because it's your life at the end of the day. You are gonna be happy, sad, broke, anything. It's you, not others. Even if you are going through a rough phase, just remember this, that it's for temporary time. Like it's gonna go. You are gonna be happy again. Drink a lot of water, eat what you wanna eat, wear what you wanna wear. Like do what makes you happy. It's your life, your choices. So yeah, everybody has flaws. Not everyone is perfect in their life. Like everybody has gone through many stuff that they don't even talk about it. They all act like they have no problems and no issues, but trust me guys, everybody has gone through these problems and stuff. Some people be like, oh my gosh, she has everything, she has good clothes, she's very pretty, what else she needs. But trust me guys, everybody is going through a lot of things that they don't speak about it, you know. Everybody is pretending to be someone else which they are not. They are hiding their self, you know. Because, and trust me guys, I am a single child, so I can stay all alone all the time. I don't need anyone, I need me. Even I'm happy with myself. Sometimes I go on a ride alone. Sometimes I go eat myself. Sometimes I spoil myself. Sometimes I do skincare for myself. Like even staying alone, being alone is a good thing if you can. It's really good thing to spend little time with you, spoiling you, taking care of you, doing what makes you happy. You know, even I stay alone all the time, but it's okay if you are happy. You can do anything you want in your life, you know. If you have a goal to achieve, trust me, you will achieve everything in your life. You just have to be positive and like be grateful for what you all have, because at the end of the day we are gonna leave this world. You are not gonna take with you money or anything. Like if you have done good deeds, or you have been good to other people, the blessings, the good deeds, and everything matters, you know. Blessing matters. Like you are not gonna take with you the money, the property and stuff. You are gonna take memories. You are gonna like cherish every moment. So just make your life worth it. Do what makes you happy. At the end of the day, when you die also, you should be like, I have done everything I want to do. I'm so grateful. Like I have achieved this life. Because you know, if you don't be successful in your life, if you achieve nothing, it's gonna affect you only at the end of the day, because you are gonna get affected by it. If you earn well, if you get successful, if your mental health is good, if you don't care what other people think, so you are gonna be good for it. Like it's you who is gonna like suffer at the end of the day. If you don't forgive others, if you be harsh to people, if you disrespect people, if you argue with people, it's gonna affect you. So don't do all of this stuff. Like, you know, at the end of the day, it's you who is gonna get affected by all of this shit, because nobody is gonna take your place. If you don't be successful, if you don't work hard in your 20s, like it's gonna you are gonna suffer in your whole life, because this is the, you know, peak where you have to work hard. Then in future you can do everything you want to do. You can do clubbing, you can do everything you want to drink, you make boyfriend, do everything you want to do. But this 20s, this age is an age in which you have to work hard and achieve your dreams, goals and everything. So yeah, if you all are new here, my name is Nishita De Silva, and yeah, this is the end of this girl talk video. If you guys like my girl talk video, just let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions regarding this, even you can ask me. Feel free to ask me anything. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you guys for watching me and bearing me speaking all the time. But yeah.